All right, guys, I got a good friend with me. His name's Will. I'm taking him kayak fishing, and take him down a good little smallmouth area, some largemouth and spotted bass. But we're gonna see what we can catch. He's a really great finesse fisherman. I'm pretty good at it, but he's better than me at it, that's for sure. But I'm gonna be using jerk baits, finesse baits on it, and I'm gonna try to catch back up to him because he seems more eager than me by actually. But this is Holt's Fishing Adventures. Catch you guys here in a minute. All right, guys, made it to a nice little spot. Gonna try it out, see if we can hook a nice one out of it. I ain't be too surprised Will down there be catching them left and right off his finesse rigs. He's really good on finesse. I mean, really good. He has a really good technique how he does a lot of his rigs. I'm an all-around fisherman, but I'm also a pretty aggressive fisherman though too. But sometimes, a lot of times, being aggressive does not catch the fish. All right, guys, made it over here. Maybe we get one. Yeah, I'll fish you. Come bite it. Don't worry, fish, I'm a catch and release type of guy. Oh yeah, there we go. Come on. There we go. Look at that. That's a nice one. Oh, hooked myself. Come on, buddy. Give me the hook. All right, nice little 1.5-pound bass right here. All right, that was nice. They're wanting that. Pretty sure they're out in the middle there, towards the deep. All right, bone jerk bait, doing its job. There you go, buddy. Yeah, I'm getting you away from my kayak. You ain't splashing me again. No siree. All right, guys, let's see if I can turn back around and get back at it. All right, guys, got on the 360 GT minnow and see what we can do. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, big smallmouth. Oh yeah. There we go. Look at that. Now that's a chunk right there. Man, he has been feeding heavy. Wow. All right, guys, I got to get a picture of him. All right, guys, time to let him go back. Oh man, what a nice one. Oh yeah, big old smallmouth. About 2 pounds. Woo! Oh, 360 GT minnow, gotta love it. All right, let's see if we can do that again. Man, that was a blast. All right, guys. See if we get another beastie beast. We may be able to. Oh yeah.
What do you got, the jerk?
Yep.
That's a nice one.
Oh, you're foul hooked now. Come here. Come here, buddy.
Still, a pound and a half. Pretty nice. He got close enough, it's yours.
Ow! Making me hook myself, will ya? Let me get that hook out of you, buddy. Quit peeing.
I better get that lip back up in the water. You have to give me one.
I've been going nice and really slow with mine.
Right, yeah. I mean, with the water cold, all that jerking and stuff.
Yeah.
You don't need that. Especially when the water's that cold.
There we go. Nice little pound, pound and a half. Woo! He's angry. Likes that old good old bone jerk bait, that's for sure. All right. See how I do that again. I love it how they like splashing me. Little 09 rip stop deep 09 bone jerk bait. They love it, and I'm glad they do. Makes me happier. All right, see if I can do that again.
And I had some ordered too, but we'll see when they actually give them to me.
They better be exactly what I ordered.
It'll be like almost 3 solid weeks before I got my product.
That's a shame.
Come on, Pink. I gotta find a hook, another hook that's close to there.
My wife watched me pull all my tackle out of my boat. She goes, "Oh my God." And she's like, "And you still buy tackle?" Why, yes I do.
Honey, don't you have enough?
I'm like, no. There's always gonna be a new bait or something I'm gonna buy that's gonna work even better.
Yeah, that's like in my shed. I have, your tackle boxes.
There we go.
Got it? Woo!
Ow!
Nice.
Quit it. Let me get it out. Little barely half pounder. All right. Time to go back, buddy. All right, let's see if we can get one out of here. Oh boy. Hey guys, bite was pretty tough today. Managed to catch a few, but man, it was tough. Pretty chilly out. But I got to get my friend, get his kayak wings back. That was awesome. But if you guys like my content, like and subscribe down there in the corner. And if you guys want to see me do any different types of videos besides bass, let me know. And I do got something special coming up though in the next video or so. You guys may like that. And also, if I smack up to 1,000 subscribers, I also got a awesome giveaway that's coming up after I get 1,000 subscribers, and I'll randomly pick one of you guys. But let's just say it'd be a awesome combo package that you guys would like. But this is Holt's Fishing Adventures. Catch you guys next time.